Hi, I'm Barb. Welcome back to my channel. This is part 3 in the 4-part series of makeup basics for mature skin. In part 1, we talked about skin prep for makeup application. In part 2, we covered the base phase, which is what I have on already. And today we get to talk about the fun stuff, adding colors in. So we're going to talk about eyes, cheeks, and lips. So first thing you want to do is start with a base for your eyeshadow. I'm using cream to powder shadows today. And you want to choose a shade that is pretty close to your skin color. And you're just going to take that from your lash line all the way up to your brow and a little bit underneath your eye. And this helps to make a nice clean palette for your shadow to go onto. This will cover up any redness or veins or discoloration that you may have on your lids. So after you have that, then you're going to go in with your darkest color. I usually use 3 colors, and today I'm going to use Pink Opal Shimmer, Deep Plum, and Canyon. The medium shade always goes in the transition, either in or above your crease if you have hooded eyes. And you want your transition to color to be not matching your skin tone exactly, but within a range of your skin tone. And I'm just going to take it right off of the wand. And I like to use a guide just to give a little bit extra lift to my eye look, because I do have hooded eyes. So I'm just going to start out here and take it all the way into the corner. Bring it up. The highest point should be where under the arch of your brow. Like so. And then we'll do the other side. You don't have to use this tool. You can use anything. If you'd like a guide, you can use a Post-it note or a folded Kleenex, anything that has a straight edge. Okay, so now we have the transition color on board. Then we can go in with our darkest color, which today is Deep Plum. This is a dark purple. And again, I'm just going to take it right off the wand. These shadows are waterproof. They're crease-proof. They have anti-aging ingredients in them, and they stay on all day without creasing, which I love. Again, I'm going to use this guide. And you want to go in about 1/3 of the way on your eye. So to start in the outer corner. If you have hooded eyes, make sure that you take it above your natural crease to give you that lift. If you put it in your actual crease, it's not going to show if you have hooded eyes. And then I'm going to take the brush that I used for the transition color, and I'm just going to soften that line. And then we will do the other side. And these are colors that you can play with and change up according to the seasons or with whatever outfit you're wearing if you want to match something. Don't be afraid to experiment with color. It's just makeup. If you don't like what you did, just take it off and start over. Okay, and then we're going to go in with our lightest color, which is Pink Opal Shimmer today. Very pretty color. And for shimmers, I like to use a flat brush like this. And I'm just going to start at the inner corner and put some on like that. And then with shimmers, I like to use a press and glide motion like this. You can also pat it on. And you want to come over to meet the darkest shade that you put in the outer corner. If you have green eyes, anything purple will really make them pop, if that is your goal. And purple just happens to be my favorite color, so, and I have green eyes, so that works for me. I'm not going to do eyeliner or mascara because we're going to cover that in part 4 of this series. But we are going to move on to the cheeks now. And I'm actually going to be using a lipstick for my cheek color today. This is called Chilled Pink. It's a Hydramatte lipstick. Doesn't take very much. We're just going to put a few dots here. You want to apply it high up on your cheekbone for a lifted look. You don't want to get it too low. And bring it slightly up onto your temples. And then you're going to go back with your foundation brush and clean up the edges, just so you don't have any harsh lines. And then I'm going to go back because I forgot to put color under my eyes to finish off the look. So I'm going to use the darkest color, which was Deep Plum. And I'm just going to go under my lower lash line. Make sure that you connect it up here so there is not a gap between the upper and the lower. And that just helps to finish off your look a little bit. Like that. And then you can take your concealer. I'm going to put some on the back of my hand, and I'm going to use a flat brush like this. I'm just going to clean up this outer edge here. Just for some more lift. Like that, instantly cleans it up and gives a lift. And then the last thing we're going to do is the lips. And again, I'm going to use the Hydramatte Chilled Pink lip color. And that is all there is to it. So if you missed part 1 or part 2 of this series, I will link them at the end of this video. And make sure that you come back for part 4, where we will talk about the finishing products and we will finish this look off. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. If you have any requests, put them there as well. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.